Hello everyone and welcome on this video. Um, Hello everyone, welcome today. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of an BMW key like this one. This one is from an E90 2006. As you can see, this one in the back has not an opening for replacing the battery. So this is difficult because you can't change the battery, and a new key was about $200, and it's a lot. So if you can do it yourself, it's a lot easier and cheaper. So it's worth a shot. Even if it's not working, you can still buy a new one. But $200 is a lot, so I'm gonna show you how to change a battery for only $5 or less. Alright, how to start with these keys is to open them. It's not very easy, but you take a knife and you open it like this. You go all around. Maybe it's easier to remove this one first, and then you can, with a knife, easily cut it in half like this. Alright, I've done it already before with this one, so when you can finally open it like this, it's 1.5. Then you find this in your key. As you can see, normally here is the battery. I already removed it, something like this. Okay, you can take this out very easy, like this. Then you have 3 nuts here, open, close, and a trunk. And the other half, I'll put it away. Alright, as you can see, these 2 pieces are the back of this one. So this one was here, like this. And when you have the materials, you can easily remove this soldered part and just replace the battery for like $2 or something. But I don't have the materials to remove this one from the battery, so I replaced the whole thing with battery. It's very easy. You just remove with a solder iron this too, and then this comes off. Alright, then we have this. On eBay I just ordered a new battery with the legs, as I call them. That's these 2 pieces, as you can see, this one and this one. As I said, I can't remove it because it's soldered, and I don't have the material to loosen it, so I bought this new for only $5 on eBay. I'm gonna show you the link on in the description. Alright, so right now we're gonna solder this to this. So as you can see, this has to be like this, and then we can solder this here. Alright.
Hold up.
As you can see, the soldering is done, battery is in place. So right now the only thing left is put this back into the key. As I told, you can also buy this new, then it clicks together and you have an opening to change the battery easily. But yeah, I don't have the time to order a new one, so I'm gonna just glue my old one back together. So right now it's very easy. This goes back in here, like this, or it's easier to put this one first here, like this. So this is in place, and this goes back to this. Like this. Right now I'm gonna glue this together, and then I have 2 working keys. done by myself. Voila. As I told, this cost me $5. A new key would be $200. So yeah, I have two left hands, so if I can do this, then everybody can do this. So it's worth a shot to try it. The only thing you need is a new battery and you can an iron, a solder iron, but you can use it from a friend or whatever. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna try to make more videos. If you have any ideas I can do, just ask, and yeah, it would be nice if you subscribe. Thank you very much.